Hey y'all, so welcome back to my channel. This is my nighttime quiet time before the world gets loud. Skincare for me isn't about perfection, it's about care. And there was definitely a time that I did not pour into myself the way that I do now. A lot of She Didn't Stay Broken was written in seasons where I was learning how to be gentle with myself again. I think of cleaning as release, not just dirt, but what I have been carrying all day long. So I had to unlearn survival mode. And in my book, I talk about how healing starts when you stop blaming yourself for what you endured. So some steps of my face need some extra gentleness, and not everything heals the same. So that's why you see me putting this mask just in certain areas of my face more deeper before the others. And I can honestly say, and She Didn't Stay Broken, some of those chapters were harder to write than others, but they did matter. And so that's why they are there. So while the mask is setting, because it does have to set for 10 minutes or longer, I do take care of the rest of myself too. I moisturize my locks every night the way that I used to. So healing did teach me not to rush myself and not to skip this step. I used to focus on everything and everyone else. Now I pause and I just tend to myself and nourish myself for the moment. Even this, nourishing my locks, putting them in a ponytail and putting them back, is about order, care, and intentions. And I'm learning that tending to myself can be quiet, gentle, and consistent. And that is the same place that She Didn't Stay Broken was written from. Taking care of what was neglected, one step at a time. And again, that is because the healing has taught me not to rush. You cannot rush your care. And so now I'm using my toner, and you guys, adding the toner is all about balance. After chaos, your nervous system needs to be calm, and that's what this does for my face. It calms it, especially after adding and taking off the mask. It shows that healing doesn't rush. And that's how my book is. I didn't write my book from a place of bitterness. I wrote it from a place of honesty and honesty only. Now, this is where the real work happens beneath the surface. This is where I am adding my cream to my face for the spots where my acne breaks out the most. So, healing is layered just like our skincare, just like the stuff that we add to our face. And if you don't, that is okay too. So, you don't fix everything at once. And that's how She Didn't Stay Broken. It isn't about pretending it didn't hurt, it's about facing it and choosing yourself anyway. And that's taking accountability. You have to take it to start your journey. And that's what I had to do. I took it to start it, to start what was needed to fix me. And that's why I spend so much time with this portion, just to make sure that it gets all the gentleness that it needs. And it doesn't seem like it, but I'm actually waiting and letting time for stuff to just go ahead and soak in before I move on to the next step. But if I put all of that in here, oh my goodness, this video was going to be so long. Okay, so I am going to say this that I already probably more than likely said before, and I'll probably say it again later, but protection is part of self-love, and boundaries are preventative care, and peace is expensive and it is worth it. So people may say like, oh, all of that stuff that you're putting on your face is expensive. It's a lot. This is part of my self-care. It's part of my self-love. It's part of the way that I love myself. It is not going to change just because someone in the comments said so or sent me an email. And all of this is not a day and night type of thing, because my daytime is totally different. Okay, just a few things and some added sunscreen to protect my skin, and that's just about it. But I like to keep everything soft and gentle, and this is what works for me, which is part of why I massage my face too. But after I do my little dance, because like I said, this is what I'm normally doing in between the time of stuff sitting on my skin. I couldn't even think. I just like really had like a brain freeze or whatnot. And you guys, the last step is to add moisturizer to my skin. It locks everything in. Moisture is a protection. Softness does not mean that you're weak. I had to learn that I deserve care even when I was tired. And I wrote this book for the women who were strong for way too long. So remember that protection is part of self love. Boundaries are preventative care, and peace is expensive and it's worth it. And that's why it's called She Didn't Stay Broken, because healing does not require access. You guys, there's links in my description for my book.